Doctors refuse to speak.
Okay, what does that have to do with
night
me? Exactly.
Missing again.
Should find my thing to deal with.
Swear I've seen the same person like twice. That's twice.
I hope this place gets shut down for good. And the Animal Corporation will hear about this. Okay, I did not know what that guy was saying, but... back on track. This is day 26 of this, video diary thingamajig. This is my first day, or should I say, night at the animal house. God damn it, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Yeah, wait over here. Hey, sorry, you're gonna have to leave. Dang, they really should just be letting anyway in. That's a name, sir. Hello, are you gonna respond?
How are you gotta be kidding me? Oh my god. Hey, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. Leave this hospital. Leave right now.
I could have stopped you.